Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a tax reduction refund. Many people overpay taxes throughout the year due to incorrect withholdings or changes in their financial situation. Understanding the basics of a refund means you can reclaim money you've overpaid. Start by gathering all your essential financial documents, like your W-2 forms, interest statements, and any receipts for deductible expenses. This initial step is crucial for an accurate and smooth application process. Once your documents are ready, the next step is to choose the correct tax form. For most individuals, this will be Form 1040. Carefully report all your income, deductions, and credits. Accuracy is key here. Even small errors can significantly delay your refund. Take your time to double-check every entry, ensuring all figures align with your records. This diligence helps prevent issues and ensures a quicker return of your funds. To maximize your refund, explore all available tax credits. Credits like the Earned Income Tax Credit or Child Tax Credit can directly reduce your tax liability dollar for dollar. Also, claim every eligible deduction, such as student loan interest, medical expenses exceeding 7.5% of your adjusted gross income, or contributions to a traditional individual retirement account. These strategies can significantly increase the amount of money you get back. After completing your return, the most efficient way to submit is electronically. E-filing often results in a faster refund, sometimes within 21 days. Always keep copies of your entire tax return and supporting documents for at least 3 years from the filing date. Finally, use the official government website's Where's My Refund tool to track your refund status. This helps you stay informed every step of the way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.